जॉब चेंज करना पड़ता है, प्रोफाइल चेंज करना पड़ता है, वी चेंज रिलेशनशिप्स, हमारी बहुत सारी चीज़ें चेंज होती हैं एंड सफरिंग हैपन्स बिकॉज वी आर नॉट रेडी टू लेट गो, वी आर नॉट रेडी, हम चाहते ही नहीं हैं। जैसे मेरे को भी याद आ रहा है, एक क्लाइंट्स है, उनका मेरे पास परसों बड़ी फ्रैंटिकली कॉल्स आ रहे हैं कि नीता जी मेरा ट्रांसफ़र हो गया है, आई वॉज स्टेइंग इन दिस प्लेस सिएटल, और मेरे को मैं रह रहा था 1 साल, मेरी सिस्टर है मेरे साथ, मैं 6 ईयर से यूएसए में हूँ, पर आई वॉज विदाउट अ जॉब एंड 30 डेज के बाद आई हैव गॉट अ जॉब बट इट आई हैव गॉट इन ह्यूस्टन, ये बहुत दूर है नीता जी और मैं नहीं जाना चाहता, आई वॉन्ट टू स्टे विथ माई सिस्टर। वेरी फ्रैंटिक, कुछ करो कि मैं यही रहूँ। So understand, but see, we are not that. We'll tell them, okay, ये ले लो, and you will not go. We'll tell them, see, how to handle such a case. I will tell them that first, you cannot protest against the laws of life, right? Maybe the Houston is a better place for you, so you have to let go. And I said, as such, you have been with your sister only 1 year. 1 year के पहले तो था नहीं ऐसा attachment. अब 1 year में taste आ गया है. Now you don't want to go. You find life comfortable, it's your comfort zone. So ये illusion जो आ जाता है immediately I possess, उसके कारण we are not ready to let go. And the basic nature of life is to experience. आज अगर आप experience करने कोई ready ना हो, how can most of the people are suffering because they are stagnant, they have held on. I don't want to go out. This is my family, my village, my work, my business. बस इधर ही. I don't want to move, and that is why they are suffering, because the basic nature of life is that you have to flow. Life आपको इतने variety of experiences देगी, and you will not be able to enjoy if you are in that illusion of possession. So I told him, I said, just let go and be ready to flow with life. Number 1. Second, tell the universe, I am not scared. You want me to move? I am ready to move. But I love being with my sister. So if there is a chance, I want to be with her. Because बहुत बार when we have a fear भी सच होता है. So the right way to do it is that not like we don't have to become like surrenders. We have to say, okay, I release the fear of leaving my comfort zone. I am ready to let go, trusting the higher consciousness that maybe it is for my good. At the same time, I would love it if I could somehow stay here in a good profile. Now let the universe decide and let the perfect manifest. And this is what we should be doing for everything in our life. आज आपको एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन से ही शादी करनी है, आज आपको एक पर्टिकुलर जॉब ही चाहिए, एक पर्टिकुलर पोजीशन चाहिए, एक पर्टिकुलर चीज चाहिए, एक पर्टिकुलर घर चाहिए, सबसे पहले यू शुड रिलीज द अटैचमेंट फ्रॉम, बिकॉज अटैचमेंट के कारण ही फियर आता है और अटैचमेंट के कारण ही डिटैचमेंट आता है। तो सबसे पहले लुक एट दैट अटैचमेंट, आई वॉन्ट दिस पर्सन, दिस हाउस, दिस रोल, दिस बिजनेस, दिस सेल, उसको देखो सबसे पहले, और फिर देखो कि आई हैव गॉट अ फियर, व्हाट इफ आई डोंट गेट इट, लुक एट दैट फियर एंड से आई रिलीज दिस फियर ऑफ नॉट गेटिंग इट, आई रिलीज इट, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डाई, नहीं हुआ कुछ नहीं होता, कुछ तो अच्छा हो ही जाएगा, आई ट्रस्ट गॉड, भगवान ने नहीं दिया, आई रिलीज द फियर, सो यू चैलेंज द यूनिवर्स, आई रिलीज द फियर, आफ्टर दैट यू से अगर हो जाएगा तो आई विल बी हैप्पी। तो ये फॉर्मूला जो है इट वर्क्स वेरी पावरफुल, क्योंकि यूनिवर्स ऑलवेज वांट्स टू फिलफिल योर डिजायर्स। सो अगर आपने ये चीज करी तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले वी हैव टू रिलीज द इल्यूजन ऑफ पोजेशन। आर वी रेडी टू डू वन मोर मेडिटेशन और वी आर टायर्ड? सो लेट अस डू वन मोर मेडिटेशन, विल रिलीज द इल्यूजन ऑफ पोजेसिंग। आज हमारे अंदर जितने सारे फियर्स हैं कि मेरा जॉब ना छूट जाए, मेरे इसको ऐसा ना हो जाए, मेरे बच्चे को कुछ ना हो जाए, इसकी एजुकेशन में कुछ ना हो जाए, हमको जो जितने सारे फियर्स हैं इज बिकॉज हम रॉन्ग इंप्रेशन में हैं कि हम ये सारी चीज़ों को पोजेस करते। वी आर जस्ट अ सोल। ये जो हमारे जो बॉडी, माइंड और सेंसेस के अटैचमेंट्स हैं, दे आर जस्ट ट्रांजिट, दे आर जस्ट ट्रांजिटरी, दे विल गो विद एवरी बर्थ। फियर के कारण द रॉन्ग थिंग्स ऑल्सो मैनिफेस्ट। I am going to live like a detached yogi and I am going to release this fear of possession, this illusion of possession. जैसे मैं detach हो गया, मेरे को न fear होगा, and what will be there will be just simple bliss. Are we ready to do it? Today I am living in lot of fear because of my possessions. I don't want to leave my comfort zone. I know that I have to be strong, but somehow I have lot of fear of losing my loved ones, my family, my assets, my role, my status, my profile, something happening to all the things that I possess. But today in the divine light of Mahadev, I am ready to release this fear of possession and this illusion of possession. I know that this illusion of possession is the cause of all my sufferings. Because of this illusion of possession, I try to control things in my favor. I am not able to see the larger picture. I become dependent on them. I develop so many fears because of this. Today I am ready to release this illusion of possession from every aspect of my life. Release completely this illusion of possessing. Release this illusion of possessing from the tip of your toes. Release this illusion of possessing from your ankles. Release this illusion of possessing from your lower legs. Release the illusion of possessing from your knees, your thighs, your Mooladhara chakra. Release this illusion of possessing completely from your body. Release this illusion of possessing. Release completely this illusion of possessing my body. I release this illusion of possessing this body. I release this fear. What if something happens to my body? Because actually I don't possess this body. I release this illusion of possessing my body. I release this illusion of possessing my room. I release this illusion of possessing my house. I release this illusion of possessing my children, my spouse, my family, my friends, my society, my materialistic possessions. Release this illusion of possessing completely from my house. I release this illusion of possessing my body, my room, my house, my children, my spouse, my family, my friends, my society, all my materialistic possessions, my house, my car, my assets, everything that I possess, I release this illusion of possessing them. Everything that I imagine that I possess, I release this illusion of possessing them. This illusion of possessing them causes me pain, causes me fear of detachment, and I am not able to see the larger picture. Today as a soul, I come from all that is. I release this illusion of possessing completely from my body. Not even house. I release this illusion of possessing completely from my society. I release this illusion of possessing my career, my role, my job, my position, my qualities, my attributes, my intellect, my employees. Release completely this illusion of possession completely from your society. Release this illusion of possession from your extended family. Release this illusion of possession completely from your workplace. Completely release this illusion of possession of your name, title, role, education, mission, business, products, patent, research. Release completely this illusion of possession completely from the workplace. Now release this illusion of possession completely from your city. Completely release this illusion of possession. Possession of my body, my room, my house, my children, my spouse, my family, my friends, my society, all my materialistic possession. I release this illusion of possessing them. I release the illusion of possessing my career, my role, my job, my position, my qualities, my attributes, my intellect, my employees. Release completely. I release this illusion of possession, knowing it is transient, it is temporary, it is based on my reference, my identification, my definition, it is based on my ego. I release completely this illusion of possession, completely from my country. Not even country. I release this illusion of possession completely from the world. Not even world. I release this illusion of possession completely from all the planets. I see a vortex in front of me. Release completely this illusion of possession, this attachment, this moha, which is a cause of all pain and suffering. I am ready to release this illusion of possession inside the vortex. Release completely the illusion of possession, my body. Release the illusion of possession, your body, your room, house. Release, children, spouse, family, friends, society, materialistic possessions. I release the illusion of possessing. These are all possessed by my body. I am not my body. I release this illusion of possessing them. All the fear, anxiety, nervousness related to possessing them, I release completely in the vortex. Release completely in the vortex. All the fear, anxiety, nervousness that happens because of the illusionary fear of possessing them. These are possessed by the body, but you are not the body. Release the illusion of possessing completely inside the vortex. Now release the illusion of possessing career, role, job, position, qualities. Release. My ego tells me I need to release this illusion of possession of my attributes, my intellect, my employees. I release completely this illusion of possessing my title, role, education, mission, business, products, research. I release completely this illusion of possession. These all belong to my mind, but I am not the mind. I release completely this illusion of possession of my name, role, title, status. I release completely this illusion of possession. I release completely all the fear, the anxiety, the nervousness, the dependency that happens because of the illusion of possession. I release completely inside the vortex. Release completely. Now release the illusion of possession of your senses, my smells, my taste, my sight, touch, hear, initiation, creation, action, possession, speaking. Release the illusion of having own preferences of smell, taste, sight, touch, hear, initiation, creation, action, possession. I release completely. It is my reference, my identification and my definition. This is all illusion. Release completely. I release completely the illusion of possession. I release completely the illusion of possession of my body. Release completely inside the vortex. I release the illusion of possession of my mind. Release completely inside the vortex. I release the illusion of possession of my senses. Now release completely inside the vortex. Release completely this illusion of possession. Completely. Today I am Sat. I am all that is. I don't possess anything. It is all transient, temporary, based on my reference, identification and definition. Today I am ready to release this illusion of possession, which is the cause of all my fears of detachment, all my fears, all my dependencies. I release completely. Release this illusion of possession. 10% of the earth is cleansed. Release completely. 20% of the earth is cleansed of all illusion of possession or everything in this earth, whether it is mind, whether it is body, whether it is senses. Today I am ready to live like a detached yogi. I am going to enjoy, but I am not going to have fears and dependencies. Release completely inside the vortex. Release the illusion of possession. Release completely. Release the illusion of possession of the body, mind, senses. Release completely. They were all given to me. They were all given to me as a gift. I release this illusion of possession. 30% of the earth is cleansed. Release, release completely inside the vortex. Release, release inside the vortex. 40% of the earth is cleansed. Release, release inside the vortex. All the illusion of possession of the body, mind, senses, taking them for granted, thinking that you possess them. Release this illusion of possession completely inside the vortex. 50% of the earth is cleansed. Release, release. 40% of the earth is cleansed. Release the illusion of possession. 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%, 90%, 100%. See this illusion of possession going inside the vortex. 10. Release, release. 9. 8. Release, release this illusion of possession. Everything related to my body, everything related to my mind, everything related to my senses. Today I am ready to surrender this illusion of possessing them. All the fear, all the anxiety, all the nervousness, I release, which happens because of illusion of possessing them. I release it completely. 7, 6, release, release completely this illusion of possession. 5, 4, release, release completely. 3, release, release. 2, release, release this illusion of possessing everything related to the world. Today I am a Nirgun Brahman. I don't own anything in this world. I am ready to release everything related to my body, everything related to my mind, everything related to my senses. I release completely inside the vortex. 3, 2, 1, going, 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 gone. Now connect to your Supreme Soul. We meet after a short 10-minute break.